Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. I'm going to be copying Shani Grimmond's new video that she uploaded with the eye look. I did my own base to start off with and I did do a few little twists. So as the video goes on you'll be able to... Okay, so we're going to start off by using the Naked 3 palette. I have my eye base done and everything. So I'm going to first use this shade right here. And I'm just going to get a fluffy brush and put that all in my crease. Okay, so I think that'll be enough. So I'm going to get my finger and I'm going to apply this shade all over my lid. My voice sounds a bit weird. The next thing I'm going to do is get this Glam Crystals, and this is in a silver shade. I'm just going to line the top of it like it's a cut crease. My line is way thicker than hers. I'm then going to be using this Curl Power Lash, and this is from Primark. And I'm just going to be putting this all on my top lashes. I'm going to be taking this shade right here and putting it on my lower lash. I'm then going to be using these lashes right here. I'm then going to be using this lip combo, so it's like a darker pink and then a lighter pink, and I'm going to do like an ombre look to get her colour. While my lipstick is drying down to matte, I'm going to go in with highlighter and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to then go in with this super neutral blush. This is from Catrice, and I'm just going to bring it all the way. Just to give my face some colour. I'm going to finish off the lipstick by using this lipstick shade called Saintly. I'm pretty sure this is a New Look lipstick. Oh no, sorry, it's 17 and it's in the shade Saintly. And I'm just going to be getting it on my finger. Okay guys, that's the end of my look. I was creating the eye look from Shani Grimmond's new video that she uploaded this week, but it's okay, you know, it could be better. My lip color is a little bit off. I did my face, obviously you can tell I did my face before I did the eyes, just because I just wanted to copy the eye look. I know I have like thicker lashes and stuff, but I did put my own little twist on it by putting thicker lashes and stuff and a different lip color. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Again, Happy New Year. I hope it's going the best for you and I hope you're sticking to your New Year's goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video.